everybody, and welcome to Shift. Today we're diving into an exciting feature in Shift, which is Epic Search. So if you're tired of sifting through countless tabs to find what you need, you're in for a treat. We've got a great solution for you. While Shift is a really great tool and has everything in one place, you may still need help finding what's important at the right moment, and that's where Epic Search is going to come in handy. Epic Search will search across all your workspaces, calendars, emails, and Drive folders all in one go. This is going to speed up how fast you find what you actually need in the moment in Shift. Epic Search and its filters are located within the search bar up top. So today I'm thinking of looking for cats. As you can see here, we've got some filters on the side along with results coming down here at the bottom. As I've searched this up, there are some suggested options right off the top here, and this would just be the web. So this is going to be Google. I can press here and select cats, and it's going to bring me to what you'd expect here. A great tool we have is also the mail filter here. So if you are in a pinch and you're looking for an email and you're not actually sure where that might be, you have a couple emails added in, you're going to need to locate that. You can select all at the top here, which will show you the results from all your different emails, or you can be more specific and choose the one that you'd like to see, and then from there find the specific email you were looking for with that keyword. Moving on, we have the calendar filter. This is going to be super helpful to quickly find those events that you've been looking for that are in your calendar. And then say you find the item you were searching for, you can click this and it will bring you to that workspace and to that event within your calendar. And once again, you can also filter out the Drive and find everything that you have in your Google Drive. To get the most out of Epic Search, we highly recommend keeping all of your browsing and all of your documents that you work on to keep that all within Shift. The more you work on a document in Shift, the more Shift is going to be able to recognize that if you search for it. So if I'm working on a document called cats and I put cats in the search bar, Shift will be able to populate that document as a search result and be able to bring you straight to it. Epic Search really is a great tool. You've got all these emails added into Shift, but when it comes down to it, you're going to need to find the specific email at a specific time, and Epic Search is going to help you do that. To help transition your workflow to mainly be inside of Shift, we do recommend having a link setting turned on. So to do this, you're going to go to Settings and you'll scroll down to Advanced Settings, and we highly recommend having these open links in Shift toggled on. This is going to help keep all of your flow right inside of Shift and will help build out that Epic Search to help you even more. We hope you learned a thing or two about Epic Search and how to use it. If you do have any questions at all, please reach out to our support team. It is support@tryshift.com, and we'd be happy to answer any questions you may have. Happy searching. Thanks.